Raman again, and we are here on laboratory exercise number 8 for the course CAD in my university. So this is so far the most difficult exercise I have made on this course, and so to make it easy, I've used a better monitor screen and a better camera. So let's see it. Let's go to the problem. So it says using line, arc, mirror, offset, and trim command. Let's create this figure. So just a side note, I've made some lots of manual calculations for this. There's no shame in doing that because we want to make uh, the video um, as short as possible. And I also created custom views so that I don't have to zoom and pan around while I'm doing this. So let's start with view 1, okay? And let's draw the line. So line, the first line I want to draw is on the top of the boat. So line 0, 1, 1, 2, as I told you, I pre-calculated this. 0, 12, okay, 48, 0, and going down 0, minus 12. Okay, so that's it. And then we want to offset the left and right lines with the distance of 12. Okay, so we're going to offset this to the right, and we want to offset this to the left. Okay, now we want to draw the arc. So there's no dimension here, so I assume that the arc starts 10th of the way from 24. So this will be the distance from here to here will be 2.4. So I pre-calculated that. So let's do the arc. Okay. Let's use 3 points. Okay. So 0, 1 to 1.6. Then 6, 2.4, as I told you, 10th of the way. And then 6 minus 2.4. So this smaller arc, the bigger arc is 12, 1 to 1.6, 12, oops, 12, 12, 1 to 1.6. I did not put arc. Okay, that's arc. Okay, 12, 1 to 1.6, then 12, 2.4. Is that 2.4? That's it. Okay, and then 12 minus 2.4. Okay. Now we want to copy this small arc to the other side, so let's have copy, and we want this point, and we go to the other side. Okay. Now we want to trim the lines that we don't need, so let's have the command trim. Let's trim this. We don't need that, we don't need that, we don't need this, we don't need this, this, and this. Now it's clean. So we want to copy this to one of the sides. So to the other side, to the right side. So we have the top of this is the top of the nut. So we want to have the top of the bolt. Okay. Oh no, this is the top of the bolt. We want to have the top of the nut. So let's copy the whole of this. Copy. And let's put it in the point. I pre-calculated the base point is here, and I pre-calculated it to land in 78,112. That's it. Okay. So now we are done. Now next thing is to create the bolt. No, let's complete the nut first. So here we have this. We want to mirror it down. Okay, here to here. Now our nut is complete. So now we go to the bolt. So the first thing to do is draw a line again. Draw a line from 0, 100 to 248, 0. Okay, now then we want to extend these two lines to here. So let's have extend here and then we want to extend this line here and here. Okay. So moving on to the next view, view 3. Now we have to draw the line on the bottom line. Okay. The line is 12, 0. And 24, 0. And then we want to extend these two lines again. So extend again. This is the cutting edge, and this is our extension. Oops, sorry. Anyway, no problem. So extend this, extend that. Okay. Now we go to the next view, view 4, to draw this inside thing here. I don't know, maybe it's the thread. Okay, so let's draw a line here again, line. Let's start at 13.50 and then 50 or 0.50. 0.50. See, the other side we have to start at 9. We have to start at 34.50 and again 0.50. Okay, then let's connect the top line. And the other top and the other side is this. Now we want to fillet the top with the radius of 1.5, this one, and to chamfer the bottom with the distance of 1.5 also. So let's do that. Let's go to fillet. Okay. So it's asking us for the first object, but we want to make sure that our radius is okay, so we choose radius. So 1.5, it's okay. So, okay, let's go back to view other one. So this one and this one. Okay, so let's do it again. This one and this one. Okay. Now, we have to do the chamfer. Chamfer, okay. Chamfer. We want to make sure the distance is correct, so it's 1.5, it's correct. Two distances are needed. So we want this and this. And do it again, this and this. Now we go to the last view, view 5, and now our drawing is complete. So we go to the layout view. Okay. So change the color to red. And activate the annotation. So this one, we have completed the drawing, and I hope this satisfied the requirement. Thank you very much.